Hi y'all, I hope you enjoyed that little montage of this little look that I did. This is a BlackPink inspired makeup look. As you can tell, I got the black, I got the pink, BlackPink. It literally can't be more obvious. I'm literally wearing the colors. If you don't know who BlackPink is a K-pop band. So I guess you can say this is like a K-pop inspired makeup tutorial, but it's not like regular K-pop. It's more of like girl crush K-pop because that's more of my personal style and like my personal like favorite genre of K-pop. So I'm glad I got to do this like fun little cute girl crush K-pop inspired drag queen Border Girl transformation makeup tutorial. That was a mouthful. I don't know the title yet. So I'm just like saying all those words out there. Hopefully one or two will make it into the title. But if y'all want to learn how to do this cute makeup look, then just keep on watching and I will show you and we will go step by step so you can recreate this beautiful look. The first palette I'm going to go into is the NYX Air palette. This is an older kind of palette. It was like inspired by like the elements of like the zodiac, so it was really cool. I like the collaboration or whatever the collection, I guess you can say it was. For this one, I'm going to be going into this shade right here. These shades don't have any names, so I guess it would be shade number 3. I'm going to go in with a Morphe M43-3 brush. M43-3. That's a weird name to say, like an M43-3. We're gonna take that shade and we're really just gonna put this on our crease and blend it out so that way it's like seamless and I don't know, just seamless. With that color in our crease, we are now going to be using a different palette. I'm going to be going into the Sailor Moon X ColourPop palette. I want to add a lot more color to this look, so I'm going to be putting in this shade right here, which is Tuxedo Rose. And I'm going to be taking it on the same brush and really just adding more color to my crease and making it more vibrant because right now it's looking a little dull. Once again, I'm taking it in the M43-3 and that's really it. Honestly, if you need to, I went back in with a different brush and I just blended it out just to make sure that the area between these two colors really is very seamless because that's what we're going for. This might be a controversial opinion, but I'm going to be taking a flat-ended brush like this. And I'm just going to be taking that same color, which is Tuxedo Rose from the Sailor Moon palette. And I'm just going to be pressing this into my eyelid because this isn't the shade I'm going to go for my final eyelid, but it will be a good base for the color that I'm going to put there. You may notice that when I pack the shade in, it's definitely a different color intensity than the one that we blended out, but that's okay because we're gonna be putting shimmer on top of this. I just wanted to make sure that there was a pink underneath, just so that we have a nice base. So when we put the new shimmer on top, that way it kind of has like that little bit of pink poking in. But if you want this to be a little bit more vibrant, what I would do is I would go back in with the same brush from before, which is the M43-3. Once again, confusing name. And I would just blend out the edges between where you packed the shade and where you had your crease, just to make it seem, once again, a little bit more blended, a little bit more gentle. Because right now we're not trying to have like streaky, unblended makeup. Like that's not what we're going for. I'm also going to be blending out this area of my eye. I really want to make sure that it's not like this harsh line right here. I want to blend this out so it kind of is like smoky and just not like a zoop kind of thing, you know? Just blend it out. Literally, that's all I'm trying to say is just blend it out. So now that this is pretty much blended out, what we're going to do next is really just go into our face. And for that, I'm going to start out by contouring because I like to do contour first. So going into this palette, not going to mention it, not going to talk about it, but that palette. I'm going to go into this shade right here and I'm going to be using this e.l.f. Angled mineral brush, I believe is the name of it. And I'm just gonna dip into that shade and really be putting this on my 3 zone, which is my temples, my cheeks, and then my jawline. And then blending it out. You guys are probably wondering, why did you not contour this? Personally, with my wig, the one that I'm wearing, I'm not going to be showing my forehead, so I didn't do my makeup up here. You can if you want to. I just personally chose not to because I'm wearing bangs, so it'll cover most of that up. But with our 3 done, we are now going to be putting a little bit of highlight. I like to highlight my cheeks and my temple. Is this your temple or is this just your forehead? What is this? Your brow bone? Is this a brow bone? I guess we can call it like a brow bone or like a brow ridge. I didn't take anatomy, so I have no idea what I'm talking about. But with that being said, I'm gonna go into another e.l.f. mineral powder brush, which just looks like this. You can get this at Target. Really good brushes, I'm not gonna lie. And I'm gonna go into this shade right here, and I'm really just going to be putting that right here. Because I want to look a little bit more pinky, a little bit more like, I want to look flushed, you know? Because of that, I'm going to go into the Too Faced Sweetie Pie bronzer. It's a really good bronzer because it not only has like the bronzer color, but it also has like pops of pink and also pops of shimmer, which is really good if you want to do like a bright pink look like I am. Like, I just think it works perfectly. So if you like that, like, I don't know, it's like subtle, but it's also like when you turn, it's like, oh, why are you sparkling? I'm gonna be taking it on this big brush. It doesn't have a name, it's from Amazon. It was like in a brush set, so yeah, good luck trying to find it. For my blush, I'm gonna go into my absolute favorite blush, which is the Tarte Amazonian Clay Brush. Blush? It's a blush, not a brush. But I'm gonna go into the shade Risque, which is this really nice, cute pink. It's a little bit more muted, but you can like stack it. So I'm gonna do that just to make it a little bit more warmer. Thinking about you. So we're gonna go back into our eyes. I like to put shimmers last to ensure that I don't get any like loose sparkles around my face. I'm gonna be baking my face right now, so you can do like a 2-for-1. So you can bake and then you can finish up your eyes. And then you can wipe off the baking powder, which will in turn wipe off any of the loose sparkles that like fell. And it's also good if you have like eyeshadow that has fallout. I'm gonna go into the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Setting Powder in the shade Pound Cake, and I'm gonna just be taking it on a little sponge, a beauty blender, and I'm going to be carving out my under cheek. I don't know what to call it other than like an under cheek, and I'm gonna be carving out the bottom parts of my eye, and that's really it. Now that we have all this baking, our next step is really just to go in with our shimmers. So we have a lot of options, but I'm not sure which one I'm gonna choose. For my next shade, I'm gonna go back into the Sailor Moon X ColourPop palette. I'm gonna be going into the shade called Silver Crystal, and I'm gonna be putting this right on my eyelid. So now that we have that put down, we've basically almost finished our look. The only thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doing my eyeliner, and I'm going to be putting on fake lashes and my mascara and all that stuff. I'm going to do that off camera just because I feel like it's very like, those are things that people know how to do, and you're not really coming here to like learn how to do eyeliner or learning how to like put on fake lashes. So I'm just going to skip that part, and I will see you guys after I do all that. But yeah, I have this really cute outfit on. This is like, I don't know, my hair just feels right, like everything feels right. I feel cute, I feel sexy. Like, this outfit to die for. Like, I don't know what it is, but I love this corset. Like, and my boobs are good. Like, there's stuff there. Like, there's stuff there. Honestly, I really like how this look turned out. Like, I love like the BlackPink fantasy. If you guys get that reference, you know Black and Pink, K-pop, arguably one of the best girl groups of this decade right now. The best, I will say. Actually, but no, that's controversial because there's some that are doing better but sales-wise, but then BlackPink has more music video views. This is complicated. This is uncharted territory. We're not going to into that. We're not about to cause like a K-pop controversy on this video. But yes, this has been my K-pop inspired kind of makeup. You know, we have like the ombre lip that is very popular. I feel like recently K-pop has been like, there's like this sense of like natural beauty, but then there's been like this new sense of like girl crush, and I'm kind of more following like the girl crush makeup rather than like the stereotypical like, oh my god, like I'm a soft cute girl. Like no, like I'm living like my BlackPink fantasy. I'm living my CLC fantasy. Like, you know, it's just fun. Honestly, we need more girl groups in America. Like, we need like a new Spice Girls. Because I feel like right now we are severely lacking. And I don't know what Little Mix was. That's not even America. Was that the one with Camila Cabello, or was that Fifth Harmony? Little Mix is the UK one. Never mind. Let's keep them there. They don't need to come over here. They don't need to come over here. Fifth Harmony, they were good. Normani was good. The other members, whose name I can't remember, except for Camila Cabello, but that's not for a good reason. Who were they again? Who were they? I don't remember. Exactly. I hope y'all liked this video because I had tons of fun filming, and it's just so nice to be behind the camera again. Let me know what y'all think about this look down below. What do y'all want to see next? What do you want to see more of? What do you not want to see ever again? Hopefully not this wig, because this is my favorite wig right now. So that's disrespectful. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and if you did not like it, that's probably because you don't like BlackPink, and we get it. You have no taste. Don't forget to go down to the links below where y'all can see links to all of my other videos. There's always something fun down there, and there is a hair in my mouth, but check out those links. And last but not least, do not forget to subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video. I think it's this way. Bye! Mwah.